giant drug maker who authorities say broke the law by bribing doctors across this country with Hawaiian vacations, tickets to Madonna. And why? They wanted those doctors to sell your family their drugs, and many did. Tonight, Pierre Thomas with the video that authorities say shows for the drug maker and its sales team, it was all about the money.
And no, these aren't entertainers. Y'all ready for this? They're senior executives with pharmaceutical giant GlaxoSmithKline at a pep rally in Las Vegas for their sales team.
Who wants to be a millionaire?
The goal to rev up sales as part of what prosecutors say was a culture of greed, where patient safety took a backseat to profit.
You do the math. There are people in this room who are going to make an ungodly sum of money.
The company apparently spared no expense to entice doctors.
GSK sales force bribed physicians to prescribe GSK products.
Bribes to include lavish trips to Hawaii, pheasant hunts in Europe, tickets to Madonna concerts. The government claims GSK engaged in an illegal marketing campaign where drugs were promoted for disorders where there was no medical evidence they would help. Allegations of promoting the drug Paxil for treating depression in patients under 18, even though the FDA has never approved it for kids. This was done despite the fact the company had evidence the drug could spark suicidal thoughts in young people. Marketing the drug Wellbutrin as a prescription to help lose weight and treat sexual dysfunction, despite never being approved for that. Aggressively promoting the diabetes drug Avandia, but failing to disclose to the FDA studies suggesting it might cause heart failure and heart attacks.
There's no question that as a result of the safety data for Avandia not being offered to the FDA or to the physicians who prescribed the drug, patients had heart attacks and patients died.
Company officials agreed to pay $3 billion in the biggest healthcare fraud settlement in U.S. history. They said mistakes had been made and that procedures had been changed. But critics said it's too little, too late, David.